Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. These are the earrings I'll be making today. And these are the supplies I used. Roll out a large and small ball of red clay. With the large ball, make it into a square shape. Do this by pinching in 2 sides at a time, and then flip it and do 2 more sides, and so on and so forth. You could also place this on a flat surface and press down on one side at a time. Place one side of your square on a rounded surface, such as a tool, and then gently press down. What we're trying to do is make a hole at the top. Gently tap this on a flat surface to help make the indentation. And this is where our cat head will go. Meow. With a smaller ball, flatten, and then gently press out 4 corners. And then on one of the flattened sides, gently pinch and pull out. This will be the lid for our box. And this is a candy cane. If you want to know how to make this, you can check out the 2 videos I have linked in the description box. Once you have rolled it out very thin, gently press down to flatten. This is somewhat of a delicate process since the clay is warmed up a little bit. You could also, before rolling it out, put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes just to firm it up. I'm just going to be very careful as I do it. Cut off any of your wonky ends. And then begin wrapping your box. You'll gently wrap it around one way. And then the other way. And you'll repeat with your box lid, doing one side and then the other. And voila! Roll out a ball of white clay for the kitty head, and then a strip of white clay. Make one end thin and the other end thick. This will be for the cat tail. On one side of the box, towards the bottom, make a hole, and then place in your cat tail. And then wrap it around and shape it however you would like. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know and hit that subscribe button. I very much enjoy making these videos for you, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Place in your cat head. Meow. Place the box lid on the kitty head. I am putting mine on at a slight angle and towards the back, and that is to make room for the kitty face. With a small ball of white clay, form it into a flattened teardrop shape. And flatten one end. You'll repeat with a small ball of pink clay. And then place this in the center of the white clay. Place this on the cat head, opposite the box lid. Roll out 2 balls of white clay into tiny pill shapes. These are going to be the cat hands, paws, arms, whatever you want to call them. You'll place one on either side of the cat head, and then I'm using a tool to gently press it into place. And with your needle tool, gently mark 2 lines where the cat paws will be. I'm using a tool to gently dot in where I want the eyes to be placed. And then roll out 2 small balls of black clay and place them in for the eyes. And then with a slightly larger piece of pink clay, place it in the center of the face for the nose. Roll out 4 tiny slivers of black clay, and these will be the whiskers. You'll have 2 large and 2 small. You'll place a large one at the top on one side, and a small one directly below it. And you'll repeat with the second side. Gently pre-poke your eye hook holes wherever you want to hang your earrings from. Place in your eye hooks and bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks, resin your pieces, and assemble your earrings. Ah, Christmas is almost here. The holidays are upon us. Won't you just look so cute wearing these earrings? As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!